Hey everybody, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. I'm here with Brock from Aprilaire, and today we're going to cover area code E6, low temperature sensor failure. Well, Brock, tell us about that one and how do we fix it?
So the low temp sensor failure is very similar to the E5, except with obviously the low temperature sensor. So the issue that you may have is either that sensor is unplugged or that the sensor is not working properly. So what you're going to do is you're going to take off the side panel of the dehumidifier. You're going to locate the wire that says frost on it, which indicates it's the low temp sensor. Make sure that's plugged in. So if it wasn't plugged in, plug that back in, turn the unit back on. Always turn it off before you're working on the unit. If the unit still trips that code, then you're going to need to replace that low temp sensor. So that's as easy as calling our technical support or calling your local contractor, and you will either get the part shipped to you for free or your contractor will come with it. You'll just plug in the new frost wire into the port on the internal control board, and then you're all set.
Well, that's great. Thank you, Brock, for sharing that. It sounds like a fairly simple fix in the grand scheme of all the error codes that we've covered up to this point. So I'm Michael Church with Brock from Aprilaire. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.